guys, welcome back to a new video. In today's video, we got ourselves a brand new build, 2000, I believe it's a 16 or 15 Infiniti Q50, and we've got a lot of damage to it. So let's go check it out right now. First of all, front end destroyed. Motor's in good condition, the car does start. Needs a new sport, all the front end components, radiator, stuff like that. But the main damage is on the side right over here. This apron, whole section right here just got crushed in. As you can see, all these points right here. So it's gonna either have to be replaced, we can't straighten it out, or we're gonna throw it in the frame machine, try to pull it out. Suspension as well. Tie rod right here broken, axle broken, because this is the all-wheel drive model. So everything's destroyed on here. We're gonna need a brand new assembly, the whole thing. Fender got crushed in, and the impact was so hard it actually pushed the door. Y'all can see, look at this gap. There's no gap. I think it's overlapping at this point. You can see, yeah, it's overlapping pretty much. So there's no gap right there. The door got pushed in. Something was hit right here. I don't think this was during the damage. Little piece right here, and the door. Moving on back, I think this was from the same damage from over there. Just swiped a little bit right here, so we're gonna have to repaint this whole, probably the whole entire side. Trunk is in good condition. Moving on over here, the bumper does have a little nick right there. I don't know what that is, but we're gonna have to paint that. Moving along, I think this is just some mud or some glue. We're good right there. This light right here, this little light right here on the mirror seems to have been cracked or something, but the mirror itself did not get damaged, as y'all can see, in good shape. Fender, I already mentioned that. New headlights, new front bumper, and all the wheels got hecka curb rash. Y'all check that out. Really bad. Someone's been, that was probably during the damage, but the back wheel, this one's probably the best one we got, and still got curb rash right there. And moving right along right here, really bad curb rash right there. So we're probably gonna have to get a set of all four wheels. It's probably gonna be cheaper that way than buying three. And also this wheel is just non-existent right here at this point. Side skirt is probably salvageable. It doesn't seem to be damaged too much. Front windshield also got smashed, so yeah. Let's move on to the interior. Y'all guys check it out. Moving on to the interior, check it out with me. As I can see, only one airbag deployed on this car, which is a steering wheel airbag. Seat belts, both of them locked up. This one, someone was sitting in here. The other one, it just locked up already, just tightened up. But moving on to the back, really clean car, not too much trash in it. Good shape, no funny smells. Smells pretty good in here. Good leather is in good shape. Everything is just looking good. But there's some goodies in the trunk that we don't know about yet, so I'll pop the trunk for y'all. I haven't opened this yet. Oh, we got one good fender liner right here. This is for the passenger side, right side. Some kind of air duct or something. Probably also for the front right side. Alright guys, I don't know which video is going to come out first, but we are working on the 86 right now. It's on the frame machine. I'm not going to show too much, but just getting all the framework done on it. Everything's straight right now. and all the body parts are actually getting thrown on it right now. Next step is the headlights. So stay tuned for that and subscribe down below. So guys, the headlights are damaged on this car, so let me know if y'all have any links or any headlights y'all have available, because they're pretty pricey out there. And we're gonna try to get some cold air intakes, I believe, for this car, because this one is not broken, I believe, or it's cracked right there on the side, but this one's destroyed. So we're probably gonna end up getting some cold air intakes. And ABS system looks to be fine. That's what I noticed so far. That's good. Huh. Now check that out. The AC condenser is actually still charged up. That's pretty interesting. Y'all see that? Whew, it stinks out here. But the AC condenser is charged up. But we're gonna have to take it apart anyway to do the framework. So that sucks. But right now we're gonna actually decompress the AC so we can take the AC condenser and radiator off. Right now we're actually discharging the AC. We just got the little line hooked up to it, and it's all just getting out of the system for now. So we'll wait until that's done and start taking apart the front end. So guys, I want to show you that the car does start, but before that, always check if there's oil, and there seems to be oil. Let's wipe it down a little bit and then check one more time. We've got oil. Let's start this thing. All right guys, so we're in the interior of the car. This car does start. We got the Infiniti key right here. What I've also noticed, too, the seat belts locked up. I think I already said that. And there is an owner's manual in the glove box, which is always a good sign, because these things always get stolen for some reason. Oh, snap. Guys, let's see how much the sticker price was of this car. All right, guys. This car does got some options. Manufacturer's splash guard option, $200. Navigation package, $1,400. 19-inch sports tires and wheels, all-wheel drive package, $1,000. Leather seating package plus whatever that means, another $1,000. And destination charge with a grand total, y'all look at it yourselves, $46,000 car. So after this whole build's done, I'm probably gonna do a price breakdown, so we'll see how much money we saved off MSRP. And literally got everything we need. So I'm gonna show you guys the car does start. Someone must have added this carbon fiber on this shifter. Looks pretty cool. But yeah, this car does start. All you gotta do is, I think, apply your foot on the brake and it should start right up. Look at that. Car started up. There's a check engine light right now, brake light, and airbag light. Check engines for the airbox, brake light because that whole suspension side's destroyed, and airbags obviously deployed. So everything seems to check out. Low on gas, but that's about it. All right guys, it's me coming back from the future. I forgot to record an outro, but thank y'all for watching today's video. The car's already taken apart. I'm coming back from the future. So subscribe down below and stay tuned for next video, how I take the car apart. And yeah, subscribe down below, like the video, and comment what you guys want to see, any other builds on the channel, stuff like that. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.